Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this video tutorial on how to get started with GitHub. So I'll be making this video tutorial in two parts, where part 1 discusses things related to how to sign up to GitHub, and in part 2 we'll get to know how to create a repository. And this repository will be containing your project report and the PPT related to the project, as well as the code part that you have used in your project, followed by a YouTube link text document. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first, open up any browser of your choice. So here I'm using Microsoft Edge browser. So what I'll do over here is I'll type GitHub in the search bar. So here, click on the very first link, github.com. Now, in order to sign up into this GitHub, there are two buttons they have provided. You can click any one of them, one that which is on the right top corner and the other one on the left corner, that is green in color. So for time being, let me hit on this, sign up for GitHub. So now it's giving me a welcome message and it's asking me to enter the email. So here I'll enter my email. So for time being, I've created this email ID and I'll hit continue. And it's asking me to create a password. So here you got to create a strong password containing alphanumeric characters. Because I have used alphanumeric characters, so it's displaying it's a strong password. And after that, hit on continue. So here it's asking me to enter my username. So here I'll be entering my name. After that, I'll hit on continue. Now it prompts a question whether would you like to receive a product update. So type in N for no and hit continue. Now, in order to verify the account, we got to solve a puzzle. And this puzzle is where we got to select spiral galaxy. And out of these 6 pictures, we can easily make out that this is the spiral galaxy. So select this image. And it's asking us again to select spiral galaxy. So this is the spiral galaxy. So now our account has been verified and we can hit on create account. After that, it would have sent a verification code onto our email address. So here is the email that which I have received right now. So open up that email and here copy this code and you can paste it over here. So after pasting it, so here you can select your age range and after that student and hit continue. Now here you can skip this entire thing for time being and hit on continue. So here in the recommended plan, we'll be going for the free one that which they are offering. So continue for free. So right now we have done signing up to the GitHub account. So this is our GitHub account page. And if I want to view my profile, I can hit on this icon and hit on your profile. So this page is our GitHub page, wherein you can see github.com is followed by our username. So if you want to share your GitHub account to anyone, you can just copy this link and you can share your link to the other person. So this completes our very first part of our video, that is how to sign up to GitHub. Now, in the second part of the video, let's see how to create a repository. So before we create our repository, so let me brief you the things that you are supposed to carry out. So before we create a repository. So here, make sure you create a folder. So let me zoom in. So here you got to create a folder that which contains your batch number, and inside this folder, you got to create 3 more subfolders followed by a text file. So the very first folder should be labeled as code part, wherein you can paste your files related to coding. It can be Py file or any other file related to Arduino or any other scripts. The other folder should be labeled as PPT, and here you got to paste your final PPT. And the third folder should be labeled as report, and this is where you should paste your final report, that which is in PDF format. And the last one is the YouTube URL text file, wherein you got to paste the video URL that you have created, wherein you will be explaining all the details related to your project working. So this is the basic drill that you are supposed to follow. So after creating this entire thing, Before we upload this folder onto our GitHub repository, we got to zip it. And in order to zip this, I'm using 7-zip open source software. So all I've done is I've right clicked on this folder and I'll go with 7-zip and I'll select add to batch number.zip. So right now this folder has been zipped and we'll be uploading this folder onto our GitHub repository. Now open up your GitHub account and here next to your profile pic you can find this plus mark. There you got to hit it and select new repository. So after selecting repository, here you got to give your repository name, that which is your project title. So this is where you got to enter your project title, and here is where you can also post additional description related to your project and select public. Then you can also check this that which says add a readme file, and right after that you can scroll down and you can select create repository. So here, in order to add files to a repository, I'll hit on add files and I'll select upload files. Now, this is where I can drag and drop my zip folder that I have just tried created. So we all know that our zip folder is on our desktop screen. So what I'll do is I'll select this zip folder and I'll just drag it onto this window, and as soon as I hover my mouse onto this space, it is giving me a message copy. Now I'll release my left click. So now you can see that our zip folder is getting uploaded, and after that I'll hit on commit changes in order to save that uploaded zip folder. So right now we can see that we have successfully uploaded our zip file onto our GitHub account. And after doing this, what you got to do is you can copy this entire link and you can post it onto your Google Classroom. So right now in this video tutorial, we got to know how to sign up into GitHub account and how to create a repository. And this repository is containing all the necessary documents related to our project. That's it for now, guys. If you are having any queries, please do mention it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.